Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some breakfast ideas that you can make at home that are cheap, simple, and easy. For the first one, we will be making overnight oats. Here's the recipe, and you just add your choice. I have a plastic bowl. I'll do half a cup of dried oats. I'll do a small scoop of protein and about a half to 3/4 a cup of almond milk. So once I add the protein powder, I slowly mix it into the oatmeal just to really mix it all together well, and so it sits better overnight in the fridge. And now I'm gonna start adding the almond milk. Once the milk is inside, I just give it one last final stir, make sure everything's really mixed together. And then once that happens, you simply just let it sit overnight. Then when I get up in the morning, I like to add bananas, almond butter, and about half an avocado, and I'll just drink this with a glass of water. Our next breakfast menu item is boiled eggs and almond butter bread. So first, I'm simply gonna start boiling my eggs. And once your water is boiled, make sure you turn this heat down to low so your eggs don't overcook, and make sure you add enough water that the water is covering the eggs a bit more. And once the eggs are done boiling, I usually just put them in a little overnight container to store them. I use Dave's Killer Bread. It's 21 whole grain and seeds. It's really good bread. I love it, and I eat wheat bread regularly. And now I will use Maranatha natural dark roast almond butter. It's really good, and I love this and prefer it over peanut butter. If you just have regular peanut butter, feel free to use that, and feel free to toast your bread as well. I simply, if I want it toasted, then sometimes I will toast the bread, but other times I'll just eat the bread as is and just store it in the fridge for breakfast in the morning. So our next meal is going to be avocado toast with fried eggs, a slice of bread of your choosing, and 1/2 of an avocado. So basically, I'm prepping my pan to cook the eggs. I have my bread that I'm just going to set in the toaster to toast while I'm cooking the eggs. I use avocado butter. It's really good, and I love using it that you can really taste the flavor in the butter. And then you simply just toss your eggs onto the pan. Make sure you lower the temperature so the eggs have a little bit more time to cook and they don't burn or cook too fast for you. That some people like the yolk in their fried egg. I'm that person that likes making fried eggs, but I like making sure my yolk is cooked. So to each your own. So now that your toast is out of the toaster, cut your avocado in half. Use the side that does not have the pit, slice it, and then you just simply put it on top like that. You can smooth it out just a little bit. I like to add a little bit of pepper and crushed paprika, and keep the half with the pit of the avocado in a bag to store it for later, and it will last a bit longer in the fridge for you. Our last meal for today is a green breakfast smoothie. It's really easy and simple. These are all the ingredients you will need to make it. And once the smoothie is mostly blended, this is when I'll add in the almond butter. Get that blended in really well first, and then I'll scoop in the protein powder. I like to mix it in just so it has room to kind of melt into the smoothie almost. And then you simply just blend it all together, and your smoothie is now complete. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys have any other ideas, please suggest them down in the comment box below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all have a great week. Bye.